Imagine a lake so green it looks like a liquid jewel. This is Lake Okyoi, hidden in the heart of Shizuoka Prefecture. The water shimmers in a brilliant emerald, reflecting the forested mountains that cradle it. It's not the deep blue of the ocean, but a vibrant green that seems to glow from within. This man-made lake, formed by the Nagashima Dam, feels ancient and magical. On a crisp October morning, the surface is a perfect mirror, stilling the soul and awakening wonder. The color shifts from jade in the sun to malachite in the shadows, alive and ever-changing. Autumn's reds and oranges frame the green, creating a living painting. The lake's beauty is a blend of human ingenuity and nature's artistry. Rich minerals from the mountains give the water its spectacular hue. Here, the air is clean and crisp, scented with pine and distant wood smoke. There are no city sounds, just the gentle lapping of water and the call of a bird. You feel a million miles from Tokyo's neon lights. This Emerald Lake is the first chapter in our journey through hidden Japan. Our adventure begins not with a bullet train, but with a charming vintage train painted in cheerful red and cream. It chugs into a small wooden station, feeling more like a storybook character than a machine. Imagine it in claymation rounded edges, thumb-printed textures, and cotton wool steam drifting into the sky. Climbing aboard is like stepping into another era. Polished wood, velvety seats, and picture-perfect windows. The rhythmic clack-clack of the wheels is a soothing soundtrack. Sunlight streams in, casting a golden glow and making the carriage colors pop. This is the Oigawa Railway, famous for its vintage trains winding through Shizuoka's most picturesque landscapes. As the train pulls away with a cheerful whistle, anticipation builds. We're leaving the modern world behind. The slow pace lets you savor every detail of the passing scenery. Fellow passengers share quiet delight, gazing out with gentle smiles. Outside, the claymation world is a masterpiece of color and texture. This isn't just a train ride, it's a joyful, immersive journey into hidden Japan. The train chugs through Shizuoka's famous tea country, where hills are striped with neat rows of vibrant green tea bushes. Morning mist lingers, giving the landscape a dreamy, ethereal quality. Workers in conical hats pluck tender leaves, a timeless scene of rural Japan. The air drifting through the windows carries the fresh, grassy scent of green tea. The train follows the winding Oi River, sparkling beside the tracks. We pass peaceful villages and traditional houses nestled in the valleys. Life here moves at a slower, more deliberate pace. Around each bend, new delights appear, a persimmon tree heavy with fruit, a red-roofed shrine on a hilltop. Old iron bridges span deep gorges, offering thrilling river views. The landscape is both grand and intimate, full of small, perfect details. The claymation textures, rough bark, smooth stones, golden rice fields, invite you to reach out and touch. The gentle rhythm of the train, the scenery, and the tea-scented air create utter peace. The Oigawa Railway is a feast for the senses. The clack-clack of the wheels and the train's cheerful whistle echo through the valleys. Light and shadow play across the forests and waterfalls outside your window. The vivid greens, browns, and wildflower colors create a moving tapestry. The train's gentle rocking and the cool breeze through the window connect you to the journey. Passing through tunnels brings a sudden coolness and a burst of sunlight on the other side. The air is filled with the sense of tea, pine, and earth. Maybe you sip hot Shizuoka green tea, its taste perfectly matching the view. Every sense is engaged. Sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell, making this journey unforgettable. Shizuoka is often just a blur from the bullet train, but it's full of secrets for those who stop and explore. Beyond Mount Fuji, its true charm lies in the southern Alps and deep river valleys. This region produces nearly half of Japan's green tea, plus strawberries, mandarins, and wasabi. The Oigawa Railway is a living piece of history, originally built in the 1920s for dam construction. Today, it preserves historic steam and electric locomotives. The apt system section, with its rack and pinion locomotive, is a marvel of railway engineering. The jewel of the journey is Okuoi Kojo Station, built on a peninsula in the Emerald Lake, accessible only by train. The bright red Okuoi Rainbow Bridge creates a stunning contrast against the green water. Local culture here is deeply tied to the mountains and river, reflected in festivals, crafts, and cuisine. Exploring Shizuoka means connecting with a quieter, more traditional side of Japan. One of the greatest pleasures here is the profound sense of peace and solitude. Unlike crowded tourist spots, the train carriages are rarely packed. You have space to breathe and think. Stations are small and full of character, with friendly station masters waving as you pass. Sometimes, you're the only one getting on or off, stepping into a different time. Birds singing and rustling leaves replace city noise. This journey isn't about ticking boxes, but savoring a quiet escape. You feel less like a tourist and more like an explorer, sharing the route with locals and fellow seekers of tranquility. The experience feels authentic and unspoiled, a true hidden gem. In a well-traveled country, finding such tranquil places is a rare gift. The Oigawa Railway and Shizuoka's landscapes offer just that, an invitation to slow down and discover magic off the beaten path. What lingers from this journey is a gentle, unadulterated joy. It's found in small moments. Sunlight on emerald water, the taste of fresh tea, a station master's wave, the scent of the forest. These simple pleasures create the most lasting memories. For every crowded city, there's a quiet valley waiting to be discovered. Hidden Japan isn't hard to find. It just asks you to slow down and look beyond the obvious. The peace here seeps into your bones, quieting the mind. Shizuoka's rolling tea fields and silent mountains offer a chance to reconnect with nature and yourself. The train's gentle rhythm becomes your own, a meditation in motion. The claymation world we imagined only highlights the real charm and beauty already here. Sometimes the most beautiful journeys are the ones that lead us to the quietest places.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.